These meaty ribs are proper barbecue. Dip into this irresistible smoky sauce, guaranteed to get those taste buds tingling. It all starts with the rub. 2 teaspoons of garlic granules, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and 1 of mixed herbs. Give it all a stir to mix. Just look at these ribs. They've got a bit of meat on them. Lay them on a board and season with salt and pepper. Sprinkle with the rub and rub it in. Turn over and repeat. Transfer them to a roasting pan. Add 500 ml of water. I think this is called a cartouche. Basically, it's a sheet of baking parchment that helps retain the moisture. Now cover with foil, scrunching it around the edges. It's into the oven at 150 degrees C for about 2.5 to 3 hours, or until the meat's tender. Still to come, see the transformation when these ribs get a grilling from my Weber Q. If you're liking the video so far, then give us a thumbs up. Click that button and sub my channel. Activate and ding the bell and drop me a comment. Now, let's see how those ribs are doing. Carefully remove the foil. Yes, it's hot. Now the parchment. Wow, I really do wish you could smell this. It smells good enough to eat right now. But wait, the best is yet to come. Gently remove from the pan to a plate and allow to cool completely. Once cooled, this is where the magic happens. I'm painting the ribs with this irresistible smoky barbecue sauce. Check out my recipe for smoky barbecue sauce. And it's onto the grill. I'm using the large burner with the gas turned down to low. I want to heat these ribs gently. I may turn it up to caramelise them later. I'm giving them about 3 minutes with the lid closed. Now let's see how they're doing.
That's a quick 3 minutes.
I'm turning them and painting the other side with that delicious smoky sauce. They're starting to look really good. And it's lid closed for another minute or 2.
Another quick one?
These need to be turned frequently for a nice even charring. As you can see, they are so tender, the meat is just falling off the bone. Just look at that. My mouth's watering already. Another coating of sauce, building up the intensity of flavour. And it's lid closed for just 1 more minute.
That's quick.
Let's get them off the grill. What did I say about meat falling off the bone? Must get every little bit. To serve, just pile them on a plate so everyone can help themselves. It's a sharing dish. So with a colourful salad, a cold beer, what more could you wish for? I give you meaty, barbecued pork ribs, with a delicious smoky sauce. Dip and devour. The taste is amazing. Help yourself. Get stuck in. What are you waiting for?
Check out more of my videos on the barbecue walk of flame. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.